Hi guys, today we're flying our plane very strong wind. The Embraer 190 is going to be flying in some strong wind here. And yeah, so let's get this going. I know we already made a video, but this time there won't be any cutting edge technology. Yeah, but for real, that was a joke. There won't be any cutting off or anything like that. So let's get to it already. Alright, let's go. Move. Alright. Alright. Let's make sure. Alright, we have it. Alright. Only 1950. Alright. Proof. Okay. Now let's go here. Oh my, we are already feeling it. So we're having some very strong wind. But we can get through this. Alright. Alright, we have our plane aligned. 1,000 feet going on. Alright. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are experiencing some strong wind in this flight. Don't worry, we'll find our way through this and make it safely. And prepare for landing, please. Thank you. Alright? Alright. 200. I don't know. 100. I don't know. 30. Retard. Alright. Alright. We don't need those anymore. Alright. Alright. Ladies and gentlemen, we have now reached here safely. We have reached here safely. And we'll see you guys on our next plane flight. Bye!